I'm getting something.
They're warming up their voices.
Let's hit more than
Okay, we are ready.
Feeling good?
BRB.
What?
BRB.
Where are you going?
Computer lab.
¿Por qué?
I got
We
some of my
finished
mom's
emailing.
10 minutes. Yeah, you can do
I
it.
got a lot of emails to write.
The imposters coming?
5 minutes.
Not that. It's,
Yes. I got 5 minutes too.
Okay.
But I'm gonna wait till.
An apostle is coming tonight!
Are we on video?
Yeah. Say hi to my family. Say hi to any
I
family.
don't really know your names, but I know your son, and he's kind of cool. He has good hair. Can I just get a little stroke? Yeah, that's nice. I try to do my hair like him, and it just looks stupid. So, great job of making a good kid. He's a good missionary. I gotta go email. Goodbye.
It's gonna be good.
Savior, Redeemer of my soul, whose wondrous power hath made me whole, whose wondrous power hath raised me up and filled with sweet my bitter cup. What tongue my gratitude can tell?